Hello, I'm Tony Collins, President and CEO of the YMCA of Central Ohio. I'm here live outside of our Hilltop YMCA here, one of our 15 branches throughout Central Ohio in our 4 counties where we serve over 100,000 people every year, helping to promote health and wellness throughout our community, making sure that our students are successful and our children are successful in our child care programming, and serving those most in need, and particularly good time to be talking about that here. As most of you know, all of you know, our YMCAs have unfortunately had to close for the COVID crisis, our buildings, health and wellness centers. But it's important to know that there's still a lot of incredible YMCA work happening throughout Central Ohio. Thanks in part to all of our partners, our donors, and our members who have invested in our work and invested in our communities. We're continuing to serve during the COVID crisis. Here today at the Hilltop YMCA, we're opening up our 5th shelter to serve the folks in our community who are experiencing homelessness. We have partnered with our folks at Community Shelter Board and with a number of agencies around the community to make sure that people who are the most vulnerable in Central Ohio have a place to be and a safe and healthy place to be. And here at the Hilltop Y, we'll be serving those folks as well as at our Long Street location and at the Sullivan Gardens Community Recreation Center with Columbus Recreation and Parks, our partner there. And we continue to serve at Van Buren and help to serve throughout the community in other ways. This work that we're doing is in combination with our pandemic childcare sites that we're serving through Central Ohio to help provide childcare for our families who are on the front lines and first responder status, and making sure that our healthcare workers have childcare during this crisis. We also, our team has been working to help serve and partner throughout the community. Here at Hilltop last night, we hosted a Mid-Ohio Food Bank food drop for our residents here in the Hilltop. We've done that at the Ward YMCA as well, and continue to partner with other agencies throughout the community to see where we can help. We've helped Columbus Public Schools distribute some Chromebooks, and even had the opportunity for our Truro Township fire department over to use our Reynoldsburg YMCA as an alternative site. So we're so proud to be able to serve and help during this difficult time in our community. We couldn't do this without an incredible team of staff and volunteers who are committed to our mission, committed to our movement to help make sure that the YMCA is on the front line to help our community here in Central Ohio. We also couldn't do this without our partners, our volunteers. Thank you so much for the volunteers who have come to the food drop sites, the volunteers who have staffed our shelters, the staff who have signed up and have been on the front lines, even the medical staff that have helped and make sure that we have health and safe places for our folks to be. We also couldn't do this work without our community partners like the Community Shelter Board, our donors, our Board of Trustees who help support all of our work. And thank you so much for the support that you've given us. And thank you to our members who have continued to stay invested in all the work we do. We definitely could not be doing this without your support. We will continue to keep you updated. It was 30 days ago that we had to shut down our operations at our wellness centers so that we could respond to the crisis. We want to get open as soon as possible so we can bring families and kids and adults and seniors back into our YMCAs. But until then, we're going to continue to find ways to serve and continue to find ways to help out in the community, and do that with your help. So thank you everyone for your work, and we continue to serve alongside with you.